My name is not Tim. My name is Darren.
Blow it up, Brizzy. Blow it up for you.
What's my name? What's my name? My name is what?
Hey, coming
I'm
out.
Darren.
That's a baby spoon. Brizzy uses that baby
Oh, man.
Rosie.
Come on.
Rosie, free smack.
What is that shit?
It's
Let me
just a
see
little
the
bit of
bottle.
hot sauce.
Oh, that.
Yeah, it's in a little bottle for a reason.
Well, thank God he has a drink.
You want to drink our beer tonight? You can try that. That'll be the deal.
Alright.
It's mean, isn't it? What a baby spoon yet. How hot's that stuff? Oh, that's that!
That's the hottest shit we carry.
Dude,
Get out of here.
you're supposed to take a drop on a toothpick. It gets worse.
Yeah, it is getting worse.
The cayenne pepper will go in your throat. What if he barfs like some people do?
Ew.
I don't know what to do.
Ew.
What do you think of that shit?
Actually, not too bad yet. It's getting worse.
Give him some more
It ain't that bad.
The black marble.
What's this?
Here it comes.
Don't breathe.
Here goes the jacket.
Oh, something flew out of your coat, didn't it? Oh. Hey, Steve, Amanda got plastic silverware. You can use that. No, a kid is calling her. She actually.
How is it?
It's hot.
Your eyes are the water.
Big sweat.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Breathe. You want to, but you don't.